Hello everybody, this is Mike Kirby with another Made in the Shade Minute from Made in the Shade here in Little Rock. And this is a panel track system. It's from Graber and it's very contemporary. You can see this home, brand new home, very contemporary lines. Nice granite, nice floor, clean lines, and that's why we picked the panel track system. Very tall system here, 109 inches tall, and flip that around, 190 inches wide. I'll step back here so you can see the whole width of this 5-panel track system. Very contemporary and opens with the wand. So here we go. Let's open. Some nice artwork here for you to watch as I get the wand. This is Graber Essentials fabric and a 5-panel track system. Each panel will catch the other panel, and we'll get a nice stack back. We had to calculate the stack back so it would be perfect for this big, wide, sliding glass door. So there's the wand, and now I'll step back one last time. I'll show you the step setback and all 4 windows on the large door opening. This is Mike Kirby with Made in the Shade Blinds here in Little Rock, Arkansas. www.madeintheshadelr.com. Cheers.